And more news coming in. This is from Bengal now. The Bengal government has moved Calcutta High Court. And in fact, this is as far as the Bengal post-poll violence is concerned. The Bengal government has moved to recall the order and also this move is after the High Court has called for the NHRC report. Those are the details coming in at this point in time. Shreyasi joining us for more details. Shreyasi, what can you tell us?
Well, on Friday, the Calcutta High Court had increased the ambit of the committee that it had set up earlier to look into post-poll violence complaints from a particular constituency in West Bengal to the rest of the state. Yesterday, the West Bengal government has submitted a petition in the Calcutta High Court for a recall order, which essentially means they want to stay on the previous order, the interim order passed by a 5-judge bench here at the Calcutta High Court, saying that the committee report that has been submitted only to the judges be served to them as well so that they can respond case by case, as they say that all the post-poll violence incidents have been taken care of by the state government and there have been no lapses. The hearing will take place tomorrow at 11 a.m. at the Calcutta High Court.
All right. Thank you, Shreyasi, for joining us with those details.